Kalika Chetarike English Lesson Plan 2022-23 5th class. Learning outcome numbers initial to -5 to -6 to -5 4 to -4 to -5. Related to these learning outcome numbers, learning outcome names: sing rhymes with action, narrate the story with the help of posters, respond to questions related to story, use pronouns, use of letters. Objectives related to these learning outcomes: first, sing rhyme, learn rhyming words. Next objective, to show pictures. Third objective, eliciting stories. Fourth objective, use WH questions. And next, use pronouns like he, she, it, etc. Next objective, identify small capital letters. This learning outcome have been chosen from milestone number 2, my neighborhood. Now steps on this lesson plan. So milestone number 2, my neighborhood. Steps include engage, explore, explain, elaborate, evaluation, and last, home assignment. Step number 1, engage. In engage, learning point is rhyme, and related to this rhyme, activities to facilitate the learning of these points are sing rhyme with action. Here TLM is TB, that is textbook. Tools we use here is rhyme and technique, reciting. Teacher self observation is recited well, and month we use this milestone we complete in June month. It takes 12 to 15 days, and teacher sign, then HM sign. Next step is explore. Total learning outcome, what we have to achieve, all we cover in explore. And in explain, what students feel difficult, that we solve in explain step. In explore, learning outcomes are story through poster, that is children will tell the story looking at the poster. Then answering to story questions. Next pronouns and letters. These are the learning outcomes. Related to these learning outcomes, activities to facilitate the learning of these points are: first, story through poster. For this learning point, the activities are look at poster and tell story. And related to answering to story questions, learning outcome activities are practicing questions, that is WH questions, asking and answering. This practice we conduct here. And related to pronoun activities are he, she, they, it, like that, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These uses we practice here. And related to letters, we conduct activities like that is practice letters and pronouns uses through WS, that is worksheets. We practice letters through worksheets. In this case, we use TLM as TB, that is textbook, and BB, that is blackboard. And tools we use here are poster, question answer, and techniques for these are story through poster here, oral technique. Answering and questioning here, technique is oral technique. And teacher's self observation is did well. And month is June, that is 12 to 15 days we take for this completion of milestone 2, and teacher sign, HM sign. Third step is explain step. In explain step, what children find difficult, that will be solved, that will be resolved by the teacher. So this is explain step. Here the learning point is analysis for deeper understanding. So if milestone second, understanding purpose, in order to achieve all the learning outcomes perfectly, what the students face problem, we will solve, the teacher will solve in this step. So here teacher will analyze or explain in detail so that children understand very deeply. Here activities that teacher conducts are: teacher facilitate and explain the difficult concepts. Here TLM is textbook, tool is explaining, and technique is oral, through oral explanation. Teacher's self observation is understanding perfectly. And time period, that is already said, June, teacher sign and HM sign. Next step is third step, fourth only, elaborate, that is widening the study. Here learning point is worksheets we use and learning sheets we use in elaborate. Here what activities children do: learning sheets practice they conduct based on reading. Children will practice learning sheets. Here also TLM is textbook, and tool is practice, and technique is practicing through reading and writing. That is June month, teacher sign, HM sign. Next, fifth step is evaluation. Here we evaluate children's understanding. Here learning point is let us read and let us do and let us write. These are the evaluation purpose points. And for this, what activities we conduct: table words reading, mark 3-letter words and write. These are the activities we give for evaluation. Here TLM is textbook, and tool is read and write. For this, technique is letter words, and completion month is June, 12 to 15 days, teacher sign, HM sign. And last step is home assignment. Sixth step, it is not mandatory, but if it is used, it is very good for us. Home assignment. Here we give children home assignment. Home assignment is nothing but we give not hard work, just entertainment work we have to give to children related to the learning outcome. That is, for example, related to this milestone second, that is my neighborhood. Home assignment is picture drawing I have given. Here children have to do draw Toto picture. So here TLM is drawing sheet, and tool is picture, and technique is drawing. Month is June month we take for the completion of this milestone second, HM sign, teacher sign and HM sign. So this is the lesson plan of writing, fifth class lesson plan. So I go once again, I show once again. So this is, thank you.